Sustainable transportation. It's a topic that's been on everyone's mind in recent years, and for good reason. With the world facing the challenges of climate change, air pollution, and urbanization, it's clear that our transportation systems need to change. The good news is that there are many exciting developments in the field of sustainable transportation, from electric vehicles to biking and public transport. Let's explore the impact of these alternatives and how they can help create a more sustainable future. One of the most promising developments in sustainable transportation is the rise of electric vehicles, EVs. EVs are becoming increasingly popular, and it's easy to see why. They're not only better for the environment, but they're also fun to drive and can save you money on fuel costs. The impact of EVs is significant. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means they don't contribute to air pollution in the same way that traditional gas-powered vehicles do. And with the grid becoming increasingly powered by renewable energy, the overall carbon footprint of EVs will only continue to decrease. But EVs aren't the only solution to sustainable transportation. Biking is another great option, and it's one that's been gaining popularity in cities around the world. Not only is biking a great way to get exercise and fresh air, but it's also a low-cost and efficient way to get around. Many cities are investing in bike-friendly infrastructure, such as bike lanes and bike share programs, which makes it easier and safer for people to get around on two wheels. And with the rise of electric bikes, it's now possible to bike longer distances without getting exhausted. Public transportation is another crucial part of sustainable transportation. Buses, trains, and subways can move large numbers of people efficiently and effectively, reducing the need for personal vehicles and the congestion that comes with them. Public transportation can also be a great way to reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, especially if the vehicles are powered by clean energy sources like electricity or biofuels. Many cities are investing in modernizing their public transportation systems, making them more efficient, reliable, and comfortable. One of the most significant benefits of sustainable transportation is its impact on air quality. Traditional gas-powered vehicles emit a range of pollutants, including particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds, which can have serious health effects. In contrast, electric vehicles, biking, and public transportation produce little to no emissions, making them a much healthier option for both individuals and communities. Sustainable transportation can also have a significant impact on our quality of life. By reducing congestion and air pollution, sustainable transportation can make our cities more livable and enjoyable. Imagine walking or biking through a city that's free from the noise and pollution of traffic, with green spaces and bike lanes instead of highways. It's a vision that's becoming a reality in many cities around the world. Of course, there are still many challenges to overcome in sustainable transportation. One of the biggest hurdles is infrastructure. Many cities lack the bike lanes, public transportation systems, and charging infrastructure needed to support sustainable transportation. But there are many innovative solutions being developed to address these challenges, from bike share programs to electric vehicle charging networks. Another challenge is changing people's behavior and attitudes towards transportation. Many people are used to driving their own cars, and it can be hard to convince them to switch to alternative modes of transportation. But with the right incentives and infrastructure in place, it's possible to encourage people to make more sustainable choices. For example, cities can offer discounts or rewards for people who use public transportation or bike to work. Governments and businesses also have a crucial role to play in promoting sustainable transportation. Governments can invest in infrastructure, provide incentives for sustainable transportation, and implement policies to reduce emissions. Businesses can provide benefits for employees who use sustainable transportation, invest in electric or hybrid vehicles for their fleets, and promote sustainable transportation options to their customers. As we look to the future, it's clear that sustainable transportation will play a critical role in reducing our impact on the environment. By investing in electric vehicles, biking, and public transportation, we can create a more sustainable, more livable, and more equitable world. It's a challenge that will require cooperation and innovation from governments, businesses, and individuals, but the benefits will be well worth it. In conclusion, sustainable transportation is not just a necessity, it's an opportunity. It's a chance to create a better world for ourselves and future generations, a world that's more livable, more sustainable, and more just. By working together to promote sustainable transportation, we can make a real difference and create a brighter future for all. So let's get started and make sustainable transportation a reality in our cities and communities.